Hello, welcome to my 7th tutorial. I hope you have enough practice and you've learned a lot on creating forms with web pages um, with HTML. Sorry. Uh, Now, as I said, we'll be increasing more on our giving more inputs into our uh, web page. All right, this is what you do first. We'll be talking about radio checkbox. um what again? um uh, and upload of files. Okay, later on I figured one thing. Let me add email and password to it and a username for uh, our student to get into their personal accounts. All right. Okay, let me comment this thing out. Sorry. Right. Okay, copy this one and cut it. All right, place it outside the box so that we have free space if agree out replying. Okay, now let's first start with checkboxes. Let's say you want to the student to click as to check certain types of things that is good at. Let's say sports, quizzes and tests or exams. Okay, this is what you do. Input, write the input and write the type as always and make it a checkbox, right? And you give it what, a closing checkbox, a closing input, or you can even leave it like that. So here you write what, um tests. I said test. Let's write the input, the checkbox. um, right. um, Test sports. Type. Okay. Let's say debate. Sorry, checkbox here again. Right, debate. Okay, let's us give the label, close the label tag. Right, test. Right, what do you feel like joining? Right, let's go to the radio the radio here. After, let me write it. After that I'll give you the reason. Okay, as I'm doing it I can explain. Label gives you the option to choose only one. Choose one of these subjects you are good at. All right, Alright, so here write the input type and write radio and write the corresponding entry. Say mathematics or mathematics. Input type here, we give it a radio and say science. Input type, we give it radio and we say geography. Here we call it geography. Alright, okay, let's give break. Break line. Alright, so that's the radio, and let's go to upload pictures. This one, input type, here you write file, the type you write file, you understand it, the type of file. Okay, then value that you can write on it. Here input types such as I forgot to tell you on the other tutorial, input types such as submit, buttons, files mostly when you want to customize what is written here, you use value. You don't use placeholder, you use value. Okay, use value, please. Don't use placeholder when you are talking about input types. Anything that concerns buttons, anything that concerns a submit, you use values so to customize what is written on it. Right, so value, let's say upload picture. Right. Okay, then we give a label and we close the label, write username. Okay, in the username you write an input type which will be a text input. Alright, then write come to the table and write what password label input type, right, password. Alright, let me put the break line. We have break line, then another one. Let me copy and paste so that I won't be repeating myself. Copy. Oh, sorry. So lazy of me. Alright, okay. Right now, but first let me take this password out and write text. Oh, don't write anything. Let me save it and let me refresh the browser. Okay, sports. This thing has to come down. Let me go back to and put the break line over there and choose right, so it has to come after. We have, or you can even make it, you break every line after every checkbox. Alright, then let me see here. Okay, let me save. Right, everything looks normal except the password. Back to it. Password. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, I think the submits must come down. All right. Okay, you see how I'm customizing today to be looking nice and have the feel of a form. I think this okay. I think we are good to go. Let me refresh. All right. 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 Okay. Let's now. Okay, let me change the first name back to its former glory. Make it a text. Okay. Text placeholder. Sorry. Let me save it. Okay. Right. Now this is how you fill the form. A checkbox is allow you to what? To select all or select multiple options, but a radio give you just a single one. Sorry. Hmm. Coming kind of okay, okay, now I do. All right, let me group them together. I didn't group it a way of grouping them so that one will be selected. Right now they are independent, that's why when I am clicking one, I'm clicking all, it all gives me one. So you group them together by writing a name. Let's say radio. You can give it any name. You can say circle, round, name, radio, name, radio. Alright. Sorry, I got confused over there. Alright. Let me now let's see. Okay. So we've grouped all of them together. We've grouped every radio together. So that's how it lets you select only one, and this one gives you all checkboxes. All right, let you select all or multiple ones. Let's try and submit a form. Let's say my name is Eric Kojo. Okay, Aula Papa Street. Then I'm a male. What do I feel like joining? I want to join sports and debates. Then choose one of these subjects you are good at. I'm good at math and science. Still the same. Now let me upload my profile. Okay, let's say this is my profile. Alright, then profile picture. Okay, then you could say my username. I want to use Ericus. No, I want to use Trinet. Okay, and the password is 01234. Oh, this, you could see that this one is not secured. I hope you understand. So because if somebody is sitting by me, he or she can know what I am typing. That's because I've set the value of the type to of the the input to what text. Okay, type of into text. So what I have to do is make it a password. All right, save. All right, let me try the password. Say it becomes dotted, so nobody can view my password. All right, okay, so let's start again. Eric Ojo Mamobi. I'm a male. I like sports and debate. I like mathematics. Okay, this is my picture. And what my username will be Trinet. My password is 01234. Submit my registration form. Okay. You see, I submitted it and it gives me a different thing. Radio equals on, which means that I'm on. I choose something that radio is on. All right, and this is basically a registration form. When you search through the net, you will find more inputs, types, and more ways you can utilize a form and develop a form. But basically, this is what I have given to you. I can show you, and I know that you are smart enough to know how to go around this. Thank you very much. As always, practice, like my video, comment on it. If anything, ask me and I'll give it to you. Bye.